Hello and welcome to another segment of the Blend on Petchili. My name is Karen James. How una day? Una good afternoon. Today, I don't know that Igbo want speak. I've been a PG, I've been a broken, I've been a English. But anyway, you hear, manager would because I would brought us we say that Igbo they will speak today. So let's first of all meet you, sir.
Akambo Mr. Izutuki Bekairo, Chairman, Scrab Automobile Metal Markets, Bukai Bologos.
Afamobe Emmanuel Ezemosu, Financial Secretary, Scrap Automobile Metal Markets, Bukai Bologos.
Like today, we want to discuss about you and your leadership in scrap market. Can you tell us about it? Tell us how have you been managing that? What did you manage the scrap market and everyone world who's yourself? I wonder how investors or customers come there to do things. Can you please tell us? We want to hear.
That market, Ebaha take a chief for long. So, Emanana, Wana Bombuka. If you are Nambuka, Sosonani, Ebana, Ele Pass Moto. So, Madame will end up on the Nazo scrap. And then the Nazo scrap, Bondena contribute a lot to the market. So, Manabia, and then whatever that Mbuka, whatever the old motor spare parts, whatever Malafa. No, how much behind the Bama was on one about. But when the Nazo scrap, and even 60% in my hair about scrap, I'm dominating. So, man, that in them, Nazo. And I thank God for this administration, but just a road and one, and all my marriage, something like that name. That is Scrap Automobile. I want to be him and that in them.
So that means Nyaboni wanted the initiative of scrap.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
So, about before, I'm a bar just out there.
Pedro so. You remember the man I was saying I also was.
Mbuka abia me when the Mbuka be aboy. So one person and her governor at that place. Anya and her that side. We said and I'm about this club no man I want to how gonna be about na revenue. So but Anya fa and her there. But toto mas never na ni. We aka negida ya we na kwesịrị ichiko ma ya ọnụ. Ka anyị n'ebe a ka ebe agwụla ebe ya gwọ ibekwa ka ọ zụrụ afịa na Kabuzi we baga na boss. On we go when the court. Has court. Even we go one click on better mas. Na go bi amana before you know that dag. Tie na actually na give you more for the stuff ma yeah fast court is so. So and I thank God through the intervention of start. So we made that place, we made great, Keba, we have laughing. So all your men never have Kabul in Abata. Abaga Drake. But so since I am great, I will from why. We want the security. When we can get there, we're not sure those Omar also. And when he didn't why use a web now was because someone was I say Abata. Some of us didn't make a hand on a main road. They just easy. Because he goes here by whatever. So I know your government, open a government about your saying market. You go to your bro and anyhow. I'm a better much not yet. I've been a revenue, we are contributing to the revenue and Anambra State.
Okay.
So I know your His Excellency Professor. Much else on the Pabia never lie anything. So all importance were.
No, boy. Afghana with 4+4.
Yeah.
So I need to tell us, are you really ready to vote for him or you're just putting that for people to know your solution, Marshall?
Well, a man more about an Apoga member. I'm a stakeholder in Apoga. So and the other I know. I want say banners. I now try to carry people along. Let everybody come and vote for second term of Soludo. But when you continue na n'ọrụ ọma ọ na-alụ because ọrụ ma ọrụ ọma ọ na-alụ anyị ọrụ ọma so ọ na-alụ ihe ọ na-alụ karịrị so nya cheta anyị ka anyị nwa dịkwa ka ibe anyị o cheta anyị mgbe anyị ga-enwe aṅụrị mata so ịbịa even ịfụ ndị adị dide mere ndị ahịa niile mere ya endorsement also canopy ebe ihe ya ifuru ụmụ nwaanyị anyị na onye nwa si nkwado everybody dị decent so ọ bụ na ịbịa na canopy that ị ga-afụ ka everywhere dị so onye ọbụla dị in support anyị chere dị in support for that in second term or continue.
Okay, what do you have to say concerning the markets in terms of the road? That time oh just it is not much I can know but very important. Are they still such people in that particular market?
We do to our adults now. See, and I have here. It's the markets. So my chairman, I try all his best. Vacation and affair and the security on affair now. So now what do government in and I go to where I na young. I want to apply by this like also. So it's the customer side in there. I want the people who scrap 100 money. I want the scrap. Many knows on there's multiple scrap now. I want the head markets.
Okay.
So I need to. I want government here. This is why also. Movement. I feel we can live in new and we can add one. Carry and can add the now. Just that in Buka before the basis they would not was scrap. They provided the money. I don't want to do don't want affair. We see we're not support government here now. China, you know that. For our governor is excellent. That's true. So all what we at the group is quite all had to name affair.
Then you must after orat we see ye. Abama orat we tight then we can do man. Okay, what to advise to general public?
Well, my advice to the general public is n'ihe agba n'aka na ejighị ugogbe onye ọ na-apụta n'igwe November 8 ajịnyere Chukwu macha salute ọrụ ọma ọ na-arụ continue onye nọkwa anyị na
I'm meant to get ready.
Mama moto anyị ebe ọ na-ama agafere na ebe ọ na-ebere moto agafete ana m afụ joy n'ime ndị mmadụ ebu moto na-agafe ha ga na anya jefu joy nwesịrị ime ọbụla ime ebe ahụ na-abasị ị na-afụ joy ndị mmadụ anya ka esi ehe eluzi dị ete na ọdịdị ka ụfọdụ ụlọ ahụ na enwe nọ n'ile ihe dị moto so ọ na-enyekwa joy so and ka m si afụ people like the man I'm doing people like the man.
Okay, your own advice to general public.
Na ayo na don kai for na kai mo. Don nye na bia si no nwere ọ na bia so ka obia so na election na Anambra State. Onya ha bụ ma sente onya amali for na ele.
A chere godo ka ọchịchị agụtụ.
Governor je eti pụọ ka ma ya men.
Aya chọrọ ịnụ nke ikwu na ntị nọ ka ifuru n'anya. So now our governor now the governor Emma now. Na nke ọ chịrị achị ga ya hụ mma ya chịkọpụ. Ya ga post content ya because no do to na first no crazy ya business content ya. I know 88 man Anambra State ya wuziwa. But Anambra I can Dubai na I want because I have gone anya ma kwere So I remember one on Yaman or other party. If so, I couldn't know what party my name is campaign.
One number campaign.
Okay, but I'm going to say I make a campaign.
I make a pen.
Malaki goes away from Chokito Chaka. India Zapo, India Bunaharapu Abga by APC yesterday. What do you think about them?
Well, in the Lapo Gaba APC, yes, na ama ihe a na-eme because ọ bụrụ ha ma ihe a na-eme ha ga-akwụsị ike n'ebe ha kwụ ha ya manụ ndị ahụ ndị azụ na-akpịrị ego enwere ike ọ bụrụ na a promise ha ego enwere ike ọ bụrụ na onweghị ego a promise ha ga-enye ha nwere ike were maka akpịrị ego wee ree their constituency so ndị ahụ ha ma nọọ ego ikpeazụ ego ikpeazụ ga-ana ha agwa ọ ego ikpeazụ ha ka ha ga-agba ihe ha ka ha na-agba ife so I'm on the Ateno Spine, Hamanga Muzi again. So Anambra State for Africa.
Anambra State has just one logo, Afga.
So when you have
one state, one party.
I'm there for that. I have what you have. I can
Okay. Okay, let me tell you something before I end today's program. In case you want to sell scrap, you want to buy scrap or sell, you guys sell or you buy?
Yeah.
Buy and sell.
It's buy and sell.
Yeah.
Do you know when I mean scrap, I don't mean all these roadside people who deal in it very, very well. They are the one in my studio today, and I wish they can tell you more. Please can you tell them your address of your office?
Okay. Address Scrap Automobile Market, Mbuki Borobusi.
And he's the chairman of the Scrap Automobile Dealers Association. I'm a village will be soon, baby. Is there any village food that flip with this place?
Any
village will solo Nubia?
village people?
In the village, but I'm English. Okay, this is how I say thank you very much for being part of today's edition. My name is Karen, and this is Blind on Pachili. See you in my next episode. Don't forget, when you see something, you see something. We're always ready to give you justice. See you next time. Bye bye.
Welcome to Petchily Investigative Media. Here, we don't just tell stories, we make headlines happen. We bring you reliable news publications that keep you informed and ahead.
As media consultants, we shape messages that connect and inspire. We dig deep, uncovering the truth others overlook. Through media podcasts, we spark conversations that matter. We craft advertisements that get your brand noticed.
Through powerful stories and grand celebrations, we honor culture, we honor excellence.
Actually investigative media, where truth meets innovation.